The sleep cycles are there. The sleep cycles approximately 70 minutes to 110 minutes, approximately average of 90 minutes. For example, if you take every 90 minutes, you are going into deeply, slowly going deeper and coming out. That's 90 minutes again. Going again, going deeper. Delta is 10 to 15 minutes again, coming out. Disturbed sleep, moving sleep, and dreaming sleep. Everything remote. Only the quality, the deep, thoughtless state, delta stage is only 1 hour 15 minutes. That's too, if you're healthy, complete health, complete 25-year-old, 25 adult, complete health, regenerating, full of energy. That person is having only 1 hour 15 minutes. The age when the age progresses, when the diseases are having, anybody's having, they do not have that much sleep. They are having average, for example, a 40-year-old, 45 years person is having 45 minutes only deep delta sleep. Rest of all the sleep is disturbed sleep only. Even if they sleep for more than 8 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours also, if they sleep, the quality sleep is they are having is only 45 minutes. Okay, so here when we master this delta state, the deepest, how to go deep and stay there, that's very important. What happened in the scientific experiment is, in a day we need that 1 hour 15 minutes delta sleep, but they are not sleeping in that day. In the next day sleep, they manage it's getting balanced. The body is going deeper because it wants that much time. It's going deeper and it's taking all the energy. Okay, friends. So that's where the scientists say that you can, with this experiment, you can also implement within 90 days. You can directly half your sleep time. Whatever the sleep time you are having currently, you can half your sleep time with this experiment. But remember, do it with the caution, with the experts' guidance. If possible, sleep doctors are there. You just go to them and ask that they show this experiment. Take their support. Just because if you're confident enough, if your body is supporting, mind is supporting, then it's okay. But otherwise, just if you are having the experts guidance, this is much more better. Okay, friends. With this simply you can halve your sleep within next 90 days. Everything you can do it. Many people already did that. Scientifically, it's proven in the control group. Many people it's proven. It's the safest one of the experiment. You can try also. Okay, that's one thing, friends. Like that, many experiments are. Everybody did that one. Many experiments are done by scientists on sleep, and you just research on them and will progress on that. Okay, experiment on your own body, and we go to the next level. Every time we are increasing our next level to the next level. Okay.